What's good, man? Here's Roland the Traveler. Got one more Airbnb video for you. Let me show you this spot I'm staying in. This is right around the corner from the Sosua Strip. Cool little spot. We're gonna stay here for the Easter weekend. Cool little spot. Only thing I didn't like, it didn't have a TV in the front, but it's cool. Cool little spot. This is the kitchen area. It's about for $50 a night, man. You know, it's pretty good. Just a little bathroom. Cabinet and stuff like that. This is the room. And the world famous Jordan slippers. They've saw more action than Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah, this is a cool spot. So, you got little cabinets and stuff. You got a safe in that corner. Make sure you always lock your stuff up, man, wherever you at. And look, this is what I like the best about this place. Got a little patio out here. Got some chairs in the front you can use. You can come out here and relax with your little shorty or whatnot. And man, you are right around the corner from the strip, man. Last night, I might go there again tonight. There's a little bar right here on the corner that sells, like, it's a little local Dominican spot. Man, they had some of the best grilled chicken you can get, man. It was very good, man. So, just wanted to really show you this Airbnb. Staying here for Easter. Look like it's gonna be lit, people around everywhere. I'm gonna bring you some content showing it. Last night, man, we were on a Caribbean tourist bus and the bus broke down. Man, I sit there for hours, so. But you know what? It's part of that's how you interact with the culture and you get to know people and you get to know situations better. Because, man, those Dominicans, man, they cool. Some ladies start feeding everybody sandwiches and we sit there till we was able to get on another bus. I'm gonna put maybe some pictures of it. I dropped on the first thing going north. So that's all I wanted to show you this, man. Peace out, brothers. Stay grinding and getting it.